have a joint.
No, we are going alone. BJP will go alone.
We won't have an alliance with MGP.
No, there is no alliance. BJP will support independent candidates somewhere in South Goa, coastal belt.
So there's no way you are going to have talks with MGP.
Right now, there is no talks going on, but definitely for in future for MLA elections 2022, there may be some talks which will start with Markshavadi Gomantak Party. That is at a very high level of Honorable Chief Minister and our organizing secretary Satish Dhawan, new party president Tendulkar ji, all these people, the core committee of the Bharatiya Janata Party will decide whether they want to have an alliance or no with MGP for the coming 2022 election. If you ask me, it should be done.